So let's start for the lily flower. So what we have to do, like suppose if I want to draw here one flower, so I will do one circle here, another circle over here, and one this shape, lip shape over here. So three of them I'm going to draw. So this one, so this is the center, and I will go little bit up here. So this is the place, and I have to draw 6 of them. So first one I will go here, second one will be here, and third one will be here, and in the middle 1, 2, and then 3, kind of like that. This one I will do here in the middle, 1, and then second one will be here, third one will be here, middle one here and here. This one in the center I will do, so first here, second here, third here, and then this way. So let's start from this one, and I'm going to draw the first one. So first one will start from here. They are a little bit wide here, even though I'm going on the top, that's okay. They are wider here, and then they go slowly by slowly skinnier here, and then we have to turn, and this one. So now I got the shape, and then I will turn this one. So first one I'm done. Now I have to do second one also start from here, and this is the top part, so it will be narrow here. So second one I'm done. Now third one will be here, a little bit wider here, and then it will be like this. Now I have to do the back ones, so a little bit thicker here and then skinnier here, and then I will turn this one and I will go this way. This one is going to be kind of like that. You have to cross it, both of them, and then because mostly they are like a folded style, so I can go this way. Now this one again thicker here, and then I will go and cross, so it looks a little bit small, so I will go here and I will erase this part, and after crossing I will go here. This line I will pull it here, and this, so this is twisted. Now for this one, first one is here, so I'm just getting the idea, and after that I will erase and fix all these. So a little bit this way. Second one, the top ones will be here, thicker and then thinner here, and little bit wiggle here. The third one, thicker here and thinner here. Again I'm going here and I will twist this one, so this way. Now the back ones, so the back ones, first one is here, and I will just do a little bit folded here, and then I will go this way, turn this one and come back. It's thicker, so I will make it thicker here too, otherwise it will be skinny here. So I want thicker here, so I take this, and then I will chop this one. Thicker here, thinner here, and then I will just fold. This one I will do a little bit narrow style, this way. Now I have to do this one, so same thing, wider here, going next to this line, so I will just make some wiggle here. Now this is the top one, So I will go here, I will do kind of like alphabet W. I will go here and then I will turn. Third one, thicker here. When I go touch this line, or before touching the line, I will do W and I will fold this one too. Now the back one, two of them like this. This is the line. I will go up and down and up like that. From this angle we can see this one a little bit narrow, so still this is thicker part but not really thick. And then I'm going to turn this one like this, and I will make a little bit kind of like a spiral style this way. I will do this one and straight line, alphabet S style here, pull this one and pull this one, so kind of like that. And now if I want one bird here or there, I will just try to connect these ones to each other. So maybe from here, and from here to here. This one I want to be more tilted, so then it will look more flowy. Maybe this one is coming here, not exactly from here, so you can turn this time according to your drawing. So my rough sketch is ready. Now I can do detailing. So for detailing I need 6 of them over here, so kind of like a minus sign. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 is kind of like a heart shape. So over here 1 kind of like alphabet T, 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 like a, this one is kind of like a heart shape. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you can do dots and all these when you are doing detailing. Now if I want to do dark, I can go back and I will do slightly wiggly, not really wiggly.